Hello and welcome to Sinft. I'm Suki, Foreign Trade Account Manager. Today we're in episode 6. In this episode, I'll make a brief introduction of spray filter element. Spray filter element utilizes advanced filtration materials and sophisticated manufacturing processes to ensure its excellent filtration effect and durability. It effectively removes impurities and particles from the spray media, ensuring smoothness and uniformity of the spray surface, thus enhancing the quality of spraying. The core advantage of this product is its efficient filtration performance and stable flow output. By precisely controlling the pore structure and distribution of filtration material, spray filter element is able to guarantee the filtration effect while realizing a large flow rate output, which meets the needs of various spraying processes. In addition, spray filter element has good durability and reusability. It is made of corrosion-resistant and high-temperature-resistant materials, and is able to operate stably for long periods of time in harsh working environments. At the same time, after simple cleaning and maintenance, the product can be reused, reducing the customer's operating costs. Sinft Spray Filter Element Series, Gun Filters, Inline Filters, Cup Filters, Suction Filters, Tip filters, disc filters. We have certain models in stock and can achieve same-day shipping. We can supply the following package to meet different requirements of different customers. We can supply the custom package service according to customers' requirement. Sinft has professional testing equipment, including multifunctional laboratory, 3D printer, secondary element, spectrometer, etc. In the modern industrial field of pursuing high efficiency and pure filtration technology, spray filter element has become an indispensable and important component with its unique performance and a wide range of application scenarios. Our spray filter elements not only focus on innovation in design, but also strictly control the quality. All of our products have undergone relevant professional testing like material detection, mesh detection, welding firmness inspection, injection molding cleanliness inspection, and strive to provide customers with the best product quality assurance. Sinft can supply free samples and support video inspection before shipment. Please kindly contact us freely if any needs, and we can also produce according to your requirement. For more specific information, please visit Sinft official website. See you next time.